Hello and welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to be painting Christmas bells on fondant. It is super easy and it's fun to make, so let's go. So the first thing we need to do is to get what you want to paint on your cake. And in our case, we want to paint Christmas bells. So I went to Google and I downloaded these Christmas bells and I'm getting it drawn on a sheet of paper that I've already measured to make sure that it's the size that will fit on the surface that I'm going to be painting. So make sure you do that. So if you can draw like me, then you can go ahead and draw, but if not, you can get it printed at home or in a printer shop. Okay, so make sure also that your cake surface is completely dry before you place your template on. All right, so I think I can draw. What do you think? Now we are going to start the proper painting, and to do that we are going to be needing some paint brushes, some food colors. Okay, I'm going to be using vodka, and the food colors that I'm going to be using are gold, black, red, and green. And okay, yeah, that's that. Also, we'll be needing a palette, okay, where we are going to be mixing our colors. And I'm also using a flat plate at the corner there so that we can dab out the excess moisture. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be doing is placing our template on our fondant. Like I said before, make sure that your cake is dry so that when you place your template on it, you won't have any indentations. Okay, so this fondant was rolled earlier in the day, just before I made this drawing, so my fondant is completely dry. So now I am using a pencil and tracing on top of my paper, on top of the fondant. Alright guys, so if this is your first time of watching or being on my channel, you can look below and click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to press the notification bell so that you know when we post awesome videos like this. We are all about caking. We love to bake, we love to decorate, we love to work with fondant, we love to work with wafer paper. We just love caking it well. Okay, so now we are going to start painting. I have mixed my colors with vodka, like I said, and I am just following the pattern that I have traced on the body of on the surface of my fondant, and just doing the painting. So you can see that everything is pretty easy now because we have done the major work, which was the drawing. So once it's on the surface, all you just need to do is carefully follow the prints on the body of your fondants, and that's that. So just keep watching and watch as I do it. So how are we preparing for Christmas? Christmas is my favorite holiday of the year. I'm always so excited whenever Christmas is around the corner because I have fond memories of Christmas with my family as a child growing up. What are you planning for Christmas? Tell me in the comment section. I would like to know and possibly be part of it if I can. Alright, so we are done painting the main structure. The next thing we are going to be doing is using black color. So I've mixed black edible color and I'm going to use it to highlight all the prints, all the places where we put marks. Now is the time to highlight it out with your black color. We are almost done with the highlighting of every part of this painting. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you will use this tutorial or the knowledge you got from this to paint other things besides bell. There are so many things that you can paint this Christmas period. I wish you all the best and enjoy your Christmas season. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.